Hi folks. So the journal tool in Aspen is a great way for us to actually record all of the interactions we have with our parents regarding our students. So simply go into a student record. So once I click on the record, it will open up the student details page. And of course, this is our training database. So I'm going to go into the documents here. And when I do that, I can see the journal tool, which is right here. Right now, there are no journal entries here. So I simply click on options, click add, and I decide what I'm going to do in terms of recording information about this journal entry. So I can look at the fact that I emailed a parent, I had a meeting with them, I left a message, other. I'm going to call this parent, and this is really about some technical issues that we have. So I'm going to say other, and I'm going to make this public so everyone in the school department can see it. Parents and students can't see journal entries. And I spoke with the parent for 2 minutes and explained how we can limit Chromebook access. And I'm going to put a referral code down here, and basically this was from the central office admin, and there really is no need for follow-up. In fact, I can say that it was the initial contact that I had with them. And I'm going to click save, and that journal entry is saved in the system and other folks can see it. So that's how you create that journal entry.